Hey everybody, this is Jarrod with Jarrod's Wildlife Removal. A lady called today with a bird nest on top of her shutters. So what we're going to go ahead and do today is take down the bird nest, go ahead and disinfect and deodorize the area, clean it all off, and go ahead and add some burr spikes to her shutters on top so the birds cannot come back and lay a nest. This is Jarrod with Jarrod's Wildlife Eviction. We finally put the burr spikes up on that shutter right there, so now the birds won't be able to lay a nest. And on this side right here, the nest is removed. It's all clean, disinfected, and deodorized, and we put the burr spikes up there so the birds won't be able to lay their nest. We went ahead and went to the front of the house where the homeowner had two more shutters, because if you just do the back two of the shutters of the burr spikes, the birds will come to the front and go ahead and make the nest in the front. So we went ahead and prevented the bird so that he cannot come back to any of the lady shutters.